Hello and welcome to the Hide Your Garden TV channel. In this quick video we will look at Vitalink Buddy. Buddy is a low concentrate phosphorus and potassium additive which helps the blooming of buds and flowers. Unlike high concentrated PK solutions, Buddy can be used throughout a longer length of time. You can use Buddy from bloom week 3 until bloom week 8. However, if you decide you want to give your plant an extra flowering boost during its peak bloom period, feel free to use our new PK additive during this period for 1 week only. For example, you would use Buddy from bloom week 3 until the peak flowering period, usually bloom week 5 or 6. Then during this time, you would switch from Buddy to PK to use for 1 week only. After using PK for a week, you would then switch back to using Buddy until bloom week 8. Do not mix Buddy and PK together at the same time, as this will cause negative effects. Buddy is available in 250ml, 1 litre and 5 litre bottles. For information on schedule times, dosage rates or other products, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.